Hey folks, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a microwave. I know what you're thinking. Man, sometimes I don't know how to use a microwave. And you know what? It happens. But that's why today I got you.
Yeah.
So you want to make this spaghetti still, huh? Well, the first thing you got to do is take your hand, right or left, we don't judge, and you open it. Number 2, this is optional. I prefer it. I like a clean microwave. Step 3, put it in the microwave. You're supposed to peel this? No. Step 4, close the microwave. So the first thing you gotta do is you hit this thing called time cook. Now, most microwave foods, you put it in for about a minute, maybe 2 minutes. Today, we're doing it in a minute. You hit the 1 and then 2 zeros. Now that's a minute after you have put in your time cook. You start it. Now we there it is, all done. Oh. Spaghetti. Alright, so the food's out the microwave now. Now it's time for the best part, digging into it. That smells like some Italian for me. Ten out of 10, best spaghetti I've ever had. That was the worst spaghetti I've ever had. It was like if someone said Italian, mush, and then made it that, but worse. Alright, summary of the video.